Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad you're here, and I'd love it if you'd take a second to like and subscribe for more recipes. Cheers! So today we're making Ras el Hanout, a North African spice blend that's used in all kinds of Moroccan recipes. In general, whole spices are going to have a lot more flavor than pre-ground ones, so use as many as you can find. Here I've got allspice, cloves, coriander, and black pepper in my mortar and pestle. Next, we're going to add any of the spices that we couldn't find in whole form. So I'm adding cinnamon, turmeric, a bit of smoked paprika, a dash of cayenne, some ground ginger, and of course, it wouldn't be a Moroccan dish without cumin. Mix all of that together until your spice blend looks consistent and evenly combined, and then store it in an airtight container for up to a month. Ras el Hanout is great for red meat, vegetables, and especially lamb.